Hello, everybody. So now we are going to do passage one from pretest. The pretest qilamiz passage one. Va nima haqida o'qiymiz? Motivating employees who work with customers. Customerlar bilan ishlaydigan employeelarni motivatsiya qilish haqida o'qir ekanmiz. Shunday tezda birinchi savollar bilan tanishib olamiz. Albatta true false bilan gap feeling savollar berilgan. Typical passage 1 gap feelingga bitta so'zdan foydalanamiz. True false ni hatto bitta ikkita savol bilan tanishib olsak, keyin passageda kelgan sari bajarib ketaveramiz true false savollarni. Okay, McGregor and Doshi, mana bu ikkita odam, suggest that having meaningful work to do, agar ishingizda mazmuni bo'lsa degani, having meaningful work to do improves achievement at work. Ishingizda mazmuni bo'ladigan bo'lsa, yutug'ingiz shunchalik yaxshi bo'ladi demoqchi. Okay. Leadership of the retail company had more than one goal. Demak, ularda bittadan ko'p go'li bor edi. When they approached McGregor and Doshi. Demak, leadership qanaqadir bir retail kompaniyalarda nimalari boshliqlari bu ularga kelar ekan, mana bu ikkalasiga so'rar ekan nimanidir. Shunda bir nechta maqsadlar bilan kelar ekan. Bittadan ko'p maqsad bilan kelar ekan. Gap feeling savollariga qarab olsak, true false ni boshidan bitta nechta savolni, bir ikkita savolni ko'rib qo'yish yetarli menimcha, chunki bular ketma-ket keladi. Vaqtni ketkizib hammasini o'qib chiqishni menimcha hojati yo'q. Gap feelingdan change haqida o'qir ekanmiz. Demak, bir nechta changelar haqida o'qib ketar ekanmiz. Four changes. Demak, 4 ta change haqida o'qir ekanmiz. Implement and experiment. Demak, experimentda bo'lgan 4 ta change. Birinchisi, emphasis was placed on learning. O'rganishga emphasis qo'yilar ekan. Birinchi o'zgarish shu bo'lar ekan. Keyin ikkinchi o'zgarish kelar ekan. Okay, ikkinchi o'zgarish kelgan vaqt topsak ham bo'laveradi buni. Hozircha McGregor and Doshi suggest that having meaningful work to do improves achievement at work. Business consultants Lindsay McGregor and Neil Doshi outline their research. We believe why people work determines how well they work. Demak, biz ishonamizki, odamlarning nega ishlashi, ularning qanchalik yaxshi ishlashini belgilab beradi. Determine belgilab beradi degani. Demak, nega ishlayotgani having meaningful work bo'lishi, qanchalik yaxshi ishlash achievementi. Demak, birinchi gapni o'zidan javobimiz chiqib kelar ekan bunga. Bo'ladi bunga javobimiz albatta true. Odamlarning nega ishlashi uni qanchalik yaxshi ishlashini belgilab beradi. Ya'ni qanchalik yutuqqa erishishini belgilab beradi. Leadershipga approach qilgani kerak endi bizga. Our research, hozir men qidiraman nimani? Mana retail kompaniyalar mana bu McGregor bilan Doshiga kelar ekandagin, approach degani yaqinlashish, shunga kelish, yordam so'rab kelar ekanda, o'shanda kelganda bir nechta maqsad bilan kelar ekan. Bitta emas, bir nechta maqsad bilan. Agar bir nechta maqsad bo'lsa, rostdan ham, demak bu javobimiz true bo'lishi kerak. Agar bitta bo'ladigan bo'lsa, xato bo'ladi. Balkim aytilmagandir. Our research shows, research ko'rsatadiki, that if a person is motivated by positive factors, for example, the excitement of doing something new, curiosity, experimentation, or doing work that matters, then their total motivation and performance increase. Demak, mana bu yerda aytib o'tgan ekan, motivatsiya bilan performance oshadi agar ularning ishi qiziq bo'ladigan bo'lsa. Okay. But if their motive is from negative factors, for example, emotional pressure or economic pressure, then total motivation and performance worsens. Agar negative bo'ladigan bo'lsa faktorlar, misol uchun pressure qiladigan bo'lsa, economic pressure his qiladigan bo'lsa, o'zi performance yomonlashar ekan. Hozir bularga kelmadi hech kim, davom etaveramiz. In 2016, the leadership team of a national retail company, mana keldi, mana leadership jamoasi, asked us, mana bizga approach qildi deganga to'g'ri keladi. Bizdan so'radi to help improve the performance of their customer facing employees. Demak, customerlar bilan ishlaydigan employeelarni performanceini yaxshilashni so'ragan ulardan. That is, employees who work directly with customers, such as receptionists, sales staff. The retail company wanted to simultaneously improve profits and customer satisfaction. Demak, mana qarang, kompaniya xohlagan ulardan bir vaqtni o'zida simultaneously amalga oshirishni so'ragan. Ya'ni ikkita narsani, uchta narsani bir vaqtda amalga oshishini simultaneously deydi. At the same time. Demak, simultaneously ulardan profitini oshirishini so'ragan. Customer satisfactionini oshirishni so'ragan. Demak, ularning maqsadi faqatgina profitni oshirish emas, customer satisfactionni ham oshirish bo'lgan. Javobimiz bo'ladi. Demak, ular one goal emas, more than one goal bilan kelgan bu odamlarning oldiga. Javobimiz bo'ladi shunda true. Keyingisi. The experiment at the retail company took place in 4 different cities. Demak, mana bu shaharlar haqida o'qir ekanmiz. Bular eksperiment o'tkazar ekanda, o'sha eksperimentlarni 4 ta shaharda o'tkazar ekan. Hozir ko'ramiz nechta shaharda o'tkazishini. They came to us because of our book describing how these factors would be improved with an approach that increases motivation. So, we ran an experiment in which we completely changed the way 4 stores worked for 1 year. Demak, 4 ta magazinni o'zgartiribdi-da, 1 yil davomida eksperiment o'tkazibdi keyin bular. And then we analyzed the results and compared the performance of these 4 stores with that of the other 750 stores in the chain. Demak, bu chaindagi, bu zanjirdagi, do'konlar zanjiridagi boshqa 750 ta store bor ekan. Bundan 4 tadan tashqari. Bu 4 tada eksperiment o'tkazibdi-da, ularning performansini, natijalarini boshqa 750 ta boyagi store bilan, o'sha chaindagi, o'sha kompaniyaning storelari bilan solishtiribdi. 4 ta different cityda bo'lganmi eksperiment? Nope, we don't know. Nechta shaharda bo'lganligi aytilmagan bizga. 4 ta storeda bo'lgan aytilgan faqatgina. The experiment at the retail company happened in all the company stores. Yo'q, all the company stores da sodir bo'lmadi, faqat 4 tasida sodir bo'ldi. 750 ta qolgan 750 tasida bo'lgani yo'q. Albatta bu o'z-o'zidan bo'ladi. Javobimiz false. Keyingisi. Before the experiment, district managers, demak eksperimentdan avval district managerlari were responsible for the performance of customer facing staff. Demak, district managerlar customerlar bilan ishlaydigan staffning, ishchilarning performansiga, qanchalik yaxshi ishlashiga mas'ul bo'lgan ekan. District managerlar shunga qaragan ekan. District manager haqida o'qiymiz hozir. We found that the performance of our experimental stores increased significantly. Productivity increased by 20%, which was much greater than the 9% increase that the control group stores averaged. Demak, control group degan narsani yaxshilab bilib ketishimiz kerak. Mana buni belgilay olmayotganim yomon bo'lyapti. Mayli. Okay, control group degani eksperiment o'tkazilganda odatda masalan deylik bitta odamlar gruppasida eksperiment o'tkazmoqchi bo'lsa, 20 yoshlilar orasida eksperiment o'tkazmoqchi bo'lsa, ular odatda bitta guruhni olib eksperiment o'tkazilmaydi. Ikkita guruhga olinadi. Bitta joyda yashaydigan odamlarni ikkita guruhga ajratib olinadi, yoki bitta yoshli odamlarni 20 tadan deylik ikkita guruhga ajratib olinadi. Bitta guruhda eksperiment o'tkaziladi, bitta guruhga kuzatish uchun ajratib olinadi. Mana bu eksperiment o'tkazilayotganlardagi qancha o'zgarish bo'lganini o'sha eksperiment o'tkazilmayotgan, shunchaki kuzatish uchun guruhga qilingan odamlarga solishtiradi. Shu solishtirish uchun qilingan guruhni control guruh deb aytiladi. Ularga hech qanaqa nima qilinmaydi. Masalan, kimgadir dori ichiriladigan bo'lsa, masalan 20 ta odamga bitta dorini sinab ko'rayotgan bo'lsa ta'sirini, o'sha ikkita guruhga qiladi-da, bitta guruhga dori ichiriladi, ikkinchi guruhni shunchaki kuzatiladi, dori ichirilmaydi. Shunda taqqoslana oladi. Mana bu guruhga tajriba bo'lmayotgan, kuzatilish uchun olingan guruhga control guruh deyiladi. Bizning o'zbek tilida kuzatuv guruhi deyishimiz ham mumkin. Bu guruhga tajriba guruhi deyiladi. Eksperiment o'tkazilgan guruh. Endi mana bu yerda aytayapti, qarang. customer satisfaction increased qilgan 11% ga eksperiment o'tkazayotganlarda, lekin while the control groups decreased by 4%. Control kuzatuv gruppasida esa 4% ga tushibdi u. Sales increased by 8%. Savdo 7% ga oshibdi. Whereas the control group had only 2% increase. Demak, had a 2%. 2% gina oshgan kuzatuv gruppasida, lekin mana tajriba o'tkazilayotganda 8% ga oshgani kuzatilibdi. Bizga aytildimi restrict managerlar yo'q. Before this experiment, the executives of the retail chain were focused on creating emotional and economic pressure to inspire better performance. District managers would hear, district managerlar eshitardi, you need to get your team to try harder. Ularga shunaqa deyishar ekanda, district managerlardan yuqoridagi managerlar ularga aytar ekan, jamoangni qattiqroq ishlat der ekan. Other stores are doing better, and the district managers would use special rewards and threats to motivate better performance. Bu district managerlar keyin nima qilgan? Rewardlar ishlatgan, special rewardlar yoki bo'lmasamga suratlar, do'q-po'pisalar ishlatgan, ishchilarni yaxshiroq performance qilish uchun. This is standard in most organizations. Mana bu umuman standard in most organizations. Ko'pchilik organizatsiyalarda o'zi shunaqa ekan. Odamlar district managerlar, kichkina managerlar do'q-po'pisa qilar ekan yoki reward berar ekan. Responsible bo'lganmi? Absolutely. Ular responsible bo'lgan staffning performance'iga. Before the experiment, the way the retail company motivated its workers was unique in the industry. Unique degan o'ziga xos bo'lgan. Demak aytayaptiki, retail kompaniya ishchilarni motivatsiya qilishi industriyaga o'xshamagan, ular o'zgacha bir nima qilgan yo'q. Mana aytayaptiki, standard narsa bu narsa. Ya'ni standard ishni qilgan. Bo'ladi javobimiz. Bu unique emas albatta, false bo'ladi. Employees who deal with customers enjoy their jobs more than other staff. Demak, customerlar bilan ishlaydigan odamlar, ishchilar ishidan rohatlanar ekan, qolgan ishchilarga qaraganda ko'proq rohatlanar ekan. Menimcha customerlar bilan ishlagani uchun, muloqot bo'lgani uchun ko'proq enjoy qilishi mumkin. Yoki unaqa emasdir balkim. Shikoyat qilib kelaverishi mumkin. Buni topamiz hozir. Employees who deal directly with customers are among the lowest in total motivation and job satisfaction. Demak, customerlar bilan to'g'ridan-to'g'ri ishlaydiganlarda lowest bo'lar ekan motivation bilan job satisfaction. Ular qolgan stafflarga qaraganda enjoy qilmaskan, juda kam job satisfaction olar ekan. Javobimiz bo'ladi bunga endi false. At the end of 8 months, the results of the study were what McGregor and Doshi had predicted. Ular predict qilgandan, o'sha 8 oyning oxirida, o'sha predict qilganidan predict qilganidek bo'ldi. Nimani predict qilgan edi? O'shani bilib olishimiz kerak. At the end of nimadir. Qayerga keldik? So to engage them at the retail company, we put into practice a new approach focused on using positive motivators. This required for major changes. Bu major change nima qildi? Hozircha bu not given, chunki aytilmadi. Predict qilmaganligi agar mabodo chiqadigan bo'lsa, keyin belgilaymiz buni. Hozircha change ga o'tarkanmiz. Demak, 4 ta change bo'ladi deb aytildi bizga. Firstly, birinchi change. To ensure the customer-facing employees could focus on learning, we removed high-pressure motivation tactics, including sales commissions and sales-based promotion criteria. We explained to leaders that great leadership isn't about pressuring people to their work. Tushuntiribdiki, bu pulga ishlash uchun, yaxshi ishlagani uchun beriladigan narsalarni olib tashlashimiz kerak. Atak leadership bu odamlarni ko'proq ishlashga pressure qilish haqida emas, deyapti. Birinchi change уже bo'ldi. Ikkinchi change, secondly, mana ikkinchisi. We focused, nimani topishimiz kerak, qarang. Stores had nimadir. Ularning nimadiri bo'lgan. Demak, sanaladigan ot va bilan to'g'ri kelish kerak. Stores had a nimadir on which staff could write ideas. Demak, on which degani, demak yuzasiga yoza olgan g'oyalarini. Demak, store'da, magazinda shunday bitta narsa bo'lganki, text narsa, o'shaning ustiga idealarni yoza olgan. Buni tasavvur qila olishingiz kerak ishlayotganda. Text nimadir bo'lgan, notebookmi nimadir bo'lgan, o'shanga ishchilar kelib g'oyalarni yozib ketavergan. Storelarda shunaqa narsa bo'lgan. Hozir topamiz endi. We focused on increasing experimentation. Experimentation encourages curiosity, allows for novelty, and determines the pace of learning. To encourage experimentation, each store had an ideas board. Ularda board bo'lgan, boyagi idealarni yozadigan joy bo'lgan. Ideas board bo'lgan. Demak, to'g'ri keladi. B bilan boshlanyapti, chunki A dan keyin albatta B bilan boshlanishi kerak. Board bo'lgan, ya'ni e'lonlar taxtachasiga o'xshagan narsa bo'lganki, doska bo'lganki, shunga yozib ketavergan g'oyalarini. Good strategy, I guess. Staff experimented with solutions but had a limited nimadir. Limited nimadir bo'lgan, qarang, sanaladigan ot a bilan kelyapti, chunki kam bo'lgan ekan nimasidir. Staff solutionlar bilan ishlagan, lekin ularning nimasidir kam bo'lganda, yetarlicha nimasidir bo'lmagan, cheklangan degani, cheklangan miqdorda nimasidir bo'lgan. Okay, board that tracked challenges the store had along with ideas for solutions. Solutionlar bilan ishlagan. For example, in one store, bitta do'konda, a challenge was how to get more walk-in customers. Employees could add any ideas they had and were then asked to experiment with any of these ideas. Demak, o'zlariga nima xayoliga kelgan narsani boardga yozib qo'yar ekanda, keyin ular experiment qilib ko'rishiga imkoniyat berilar ekan bu g'oyalarni. Experiments had to be achievable using only the budget already allocated to each store. Qarang, using the only budget. Faqatgina ajratilgan budjetdan foydalana olgan. Demak, budjet ular uchun cheklangan. Mana shu eksperiment qilib ko'rsang bo'ladi, lekin senga mana shu 1 million pul, undan ziyod pul bera olmaymiz. Tajribang shunaqa bo'lishi kerak deb limited budget qo'yilgan ekan. Javobimiz bo'ladi albatta bunga limited budget. Xolos, budget bu. Demak, staff met weekly to discuss the results and brainstorm ideas. Ular g'oyalarni brainstorm qilish uchun ham yig'ilgan ekan. Brainstorm degani shunday yig'ilib olib, hammasi xayoliga kelgan narsalarni yozgan. Yana bo'lgan. Staff avoided putting nimadir on anyone for failures. Agar failure bo'ladigan bo'lsa, g'oyasi o'xshamaydigan bo'lsa, ularga staff nima qilmagan. Put blame on someone. Bu phrase, mana bu bilan keladigan phrase, taxminimcha blame bo'ladi mana bu yerga. Staff avoided putting blame yoki bo'lmasamga putting pressure on anyone, pressure qilsak bo'lar ekan demak, yoki blame qilsak bo'lar ekan. Putting blame on anyone for failures. Agar birontani ishi o'xshamasa, unga g'oyasi o'xshamasa, unga nimadir qilmaslik kerak. Bosim qilmaslik kerak, ayib qo'ymaslik kerak. Keyin 3-change'ga o'tar ekanmiz mana shu topgandan keyin. Qayerda? Mana bu yerga edik. Each person was expected to have at least one experiment that they owned at a given time. Each store also had a weekly meeting, weekly meeting qilgan for teams to review their performances and experiments with the aim of generating new ideas, brainstorming new ideas degani. It was important not to place blame on particular individuals if an idea didn't work. Demak, put blame qilmaslik kerak. Bu phrase bilan keladigan phrase, put pressure, put blame. Undan tashqari boshqa so'zlar ham bo'lishi mumkin, lekin ikkalasi juda highly likely. Put blame on anyone. Birontaga ayb qo'yish yoki bosim qilish degan ma'nolarda keladi mana bu phraselar. 3-change endi. 3-change'imizda employees were shown, employeelarga ko'rsatilgan ekan, how things like items for sale and policies could be another. Demak, article kelyapti, sanaladigan ot to the customer. Customerga nimadir bo'la olgan. Demak, customer employeelarga, ishchilarga ko'rsatilibdiki, itemlar, misol uchun sale'ga yoki policyga ajratilgan, policy uchun bo'lgan itemlar, narsalar customerlar uchun nimadir bo'la olgan. Customerlar uchun nima bo'la olishi mumkin mana sale'ga qo'yilgan itemlar. Hozir buni topamiz. 3-dan degan joyga kerak mana bu yerga. Thirdly, to build a genuine sense of purpose and meaning in their jobs, the employees in the experiment stores were taught degani o'zi shown ga sinonim bo'lyapti, hozircha chiqadi. Taught how to connect every product, process and policy to the benefit they had for customers. Demak, ularni customerga bo'lgan foydasi bilan o'zi connect qilish. Demak, customerlar uni foydali deb o'ylash kerak. Demak, bo'ladi bunga a benefit. Benefit to'g'ri keladi, sanaladigan ot, ili artikliga ham to'g'ri keladi. Benefit. Qolganini nima qilib qo'yamiz? Benefit. 13 ga. Nimadir were set up degani yaratildi degani. Yaratildi degan so'zni topishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Bir talay sinonimlar esimga tushyapti hozir. Create. Yana nimadir degan sinonimlar. Were degani, demak were bo'lgandan keyin sanaladigan otlar bilan keladi. S bo'lish kerak o'sha sanaladigan otda. Demak, bironta nounda s ni ko'rib qoladigan bo'lsa, ko'plikda berilgan bo'lsa, highly likely mana shunga javob bo'ladi 4-change'da. Demak, s ni topib olishimiz kerak. Ko'plikdagi nounni o'sha narsa yaratilgan bo'lish kerak. To help control the learning process. Learning processga yordam berish uchun yaratilgan ekan. Bizga qarang, yaratilgan so'ziga sinonim topsak va ko'plikdagi nounni topsak, o'sha bo'ldi 4-change'dan. Lastly, 4-change degani. O'zi 4ta change bor edi-yu. Lastly, we believed it was important to manage the pace of learning by establishing establishing degani yaratmoq, set up ga sinonim, creating, establishing, setting up, building. Demak, establish qilish orqali learning the pace ni manage qilishimiz mumkin, tezligini. Establishing apprenticeships. Mana ko'plikda kelyapti. Demak, ustoz shogirdlik degani. Apprenticeship demak mana yerga yozib qo'yaylik. Apprenticeships. Buni to'liq yoza olmaymiz ekan. Apprenticeships. Demak, were ga to'g'ri keladi. S bilan kelgan, mana established topildi. Demak, bu nima qilgan? Bo'ldi. 14 ga o'tib ketamiz. Employees were given the matter of which skills they wanted to develop. Employeelarga ularning deyapti xohlagan skilllarni develop qilish uchun nimadir berilgan. Xohlagan skilllarni develop qilish uchun nimadir berilgan. Given the matter of which skills. In this system, people received high levels of on-the-job coaching by others who were higher in skill. In our experiment, each store was given 30 skills for employees to learn. Everyone was asked, hammadan so'ralgan, bu given ga sinonim bo'lyapti, to select noun kerak bizga, to select the skills that they believed would must improve their performance. Skillning nimasi berilgan ularga. While leaders would help with this decision, the choice was ultimately up to each individual. Choice individuallarga nima bo'lgan, up to individual bo'lgan. Ya'ni choice of skills employee ga berilgan. Ya'ni choice bo'ladi mana bu yerga. Noun, choice, tanlov degani. Tanlash imkoniyati. The choice of skills. Qanaqa skillni o'rganishini ular o'zlari hal qilgan. Sen mana shu skillni o'rgan deyilmagan. 4-change yana. Employees were encouraged to go to kimgadir for help. Yordam uchun kimdandir yordam so'rashi aytilgan, motivate qilingan, as well as their leader. Qarang, liderlardan yordam olishdan tashqari yana kimdandir yordam olishiga ularga encourage qilgan. ishchilarga. Mana shundan yordam so'rasang, liderdan ham so'ra, mana shu odamdan ham so'ra deyilgan. Ko'ramiz kimdan so'ragan ular yordam. Ishchilar. Everyone was asked to select the skills that they believed would most improve their performance. While leaders would help with this decision, the choice was ultimately up to each individual, with leaders focusing on finding on-the-job moments to learn. Leaders were then asked to identify and share the strongest skill of each individual on their team. Liderlar ulardan keyin nimalarni identify qilish kerak bo'lgan, qaysi skillni juda yaxshi o'rganayotganligini, juda yaxshi ekanligini identify qilish kerak bo'lgan, tanib olish kerak bo'lgan liderlarga keyin. This was to make it easier for employees to get guidance with learning skills. Demak, u liderlardan o'sha so'rasa bo'lgan keyin boyagi ishchilar qaysi skilllarim yaxshi ekan meni deb. Demak, guidance, learning with learning skills from their colleagues. Liderlardan tashqari kolleglaridan ham guidance, ya'ni maslahat olsa bo'lgan. Demak, kimga borishga? Kolleglariga borishga encourage qilingan liderlardan tashqari. Colleague. Okay. Colleague da xullas. Hop. Keyingisi. One successful experiment resulted in customers spending less time at than another. Customerlar kamroq vaqt sarflagan qayerdadir. Bitta eksperiment, muvaffaqiyatli eksperiment. Juda muvaffaqiyatli eksperiment bo'lgan ekan. O'sha eksperimentda customerlar qayerdadir ko'p vaqt sarflamagan, vaqt yo'qotmagan. Unumliroq bo'lgan o'sha joyda customerlarning yurishi. Okay. Every week, employees would have a brief development discussion with their leader on how they were progressing on learning their skills. As leaders and their employees focused on skill development, performance problems were no longer met with accusations and defensiveness. Instead, if a person was struggling to perform, the immediate focus became learning and teaching. Only a few weeks after this new approach was put into place, the team's behaviors started to fundamentally shift. For example, one of the most junior members of the store led a successful experiment on how to move customers through the checkout faster. Checkout fasterdan checkoutdan, ya'ni pul to'lanadigan joydan tezroq o'tishini bir yo'lni o'ylab topdi. Successful experimentda. So they could spend longer actually shopping. Bo'ladi bunga albatta checkout. My writing is miserable. Checkout. I write, my handwriting is like that even when I write on paper. Okay, 16 ham ketdi. Mana bu not given bo'ldi, endi bu chiqmadi. Not given. Oxirigacha o'qib o'raylik, balkim chiqishi mumkin. Qayerga keldik? Learning. Another store member conducted an experiment on how to better explain a product's features to a customer. At the end of 8 months, performance was, at the end of the 8 months, the results of study were, mana bular predict qilganday bo'ldimi yo'qmi? At the end of 8 months, performance at the experiment stores had increased significantly compared with the control stores. The approach is now being used across the entire company. Bunga aytilmagan ekan, predict qilgani, qanaqa predict qilgani aytilmagan. Demak, menimcha bo'ldi. True, true, not given, false, true, false, false, not given. Javoblarimiz board, budget, blame, benefit, apprenticeships, choice, colleagues, checkout bo'ldi javoblarimiz.